Hi, my name is Melanie Rose and welcome to Service Point. This is an app for scheduling for a heating and air conditioning business. I chose this because my husband and I have a heating and air conditioning business, and it's something that we struggle with. We have a hard time finding a good app to schedule our appointments and to communicate with our customers. So you log in like you do in any other app, but as you log in, you will get to your homepage, and this will show you the schedule and who has what for the day, and it's color coded, as you'll see in just a minute why that's important. If you go to the schedule page, it shows you the schedule today, and then it has how many hours and minutes are remaining in the day so that you don't overbook somebody. So if somebody calls and they need a 4-hour repair and you have 2 hours left in the day, you know not to schedule that for that day. And then if you go to the week section, you just see everybody's days laid out for the whole week. The services, this is why it's color coded. The services show what services are offered and the colors represent that in the schedule. The technicians page is just a way to edit and add and remove people for the customer side of the app. To me, that was important so that your customers can see who's working for you and why they're a good fit for them. The account page, I've added the customized account appearance so that you can customize the app and make it more what you want it to be. The customers page has where you can add customers, and then this side is scrollable so you can get all of the alphabet and put everybody in there. Notifications is just a way for you to communicate with your customers. It's a way for you to search for your customer, and then you can send them a quick message to tell them that your technician is running behind or to remind them that they're coming. And then the settings page just shows your employees, who they are, their information, what access they have to the app, and their benefits. So let's look at the customer side of the app. This is the customer side of the app. This is made for a mobile phone. It logs in just like the other one. If you want to contact the office, it will pull up the phone number. And then if you want to schedule an appointment, you have the option to pick what service you want, your day and time, and it will tell you that your appointment's been scheduled, and you have the option to add it to the calendar in your phone. If you go to About, you find the technicians, and then you go and you can find out about who they are, and each one of them has their own profile. If you go to the account, you can choose to update your name if you get married. You can change your address if you move. You can change your password. You can find out when your appointments are, what your notifications are, and set those settings in there. The notifications page just gives you the communication from the office. So you know that your appointment's been scheduled, who is coming, what time they should be there. It reminds you that they're going to be there, and then you'll usually get a notification that says that you want to ask you if you want to leave feedback or to ask you if you want to pay your bill online. There's just different notifications that you can get here. So that's the app. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.